Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials by Nitin. Hope you are fine and safe at your home. Today I'm going to share with you different type of text portrait you can create in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Here is our image. First we have to create your text brush. Create a square document with white background and type your desired text. Like I type beauty. Make sure text is properly black color and background should be white. So go to edit, define brush preset, and here is beauty brush. Hit OK. Now change the text and create another brush. I created brush love. Now go to edit, define brush preset and name this love brush. Hit OK. Now we don't need this document. Close this document. Here is our model image. Create a solid background, black color. Drag to down on model layer. Currently now I am hiding the model layer. Now create a new transparent image and choose the brush tool. Now just paint this. This is something going weird. So here is our brush settings. You can also open this from there. Now go to brush to shape. Change spacing around to 180 to 190%. I think this is enough. Now turn on the shape dynamics. Size jitter should be 100%. Minimum diameter is around 15 to 20%. Angle jitter should be 0%. Okay, now go turn on the scattering. Scatter around 200% on both axes. Count is 1, I think enough. 1 is enough. Now turn on the transfer layer. Opacity should be 100%. Flow jitter should be 100%. And turn on the smoothing. Add this. Decrease the brush size around 250 pixels. Yes. Now paint. See, this is cool. Okay. Name this layer love brush. Create a new transparent layer. Name this beauty brush. Group the both layers. Go to beauty brush layer and change our brush to beauty. I think this is beauty brush. Yes. Now again we have to do settings for this. Size is 40 to 50 pixels. Spacing should be around 180 to 200. Turn on shape dynamics. Size jitter should be 100%. Minimum diameter 15 to 20. Angle jitter should be 0%. Turn on scattering. Scattering is around 200% on both axes. Count 1 is enough. And transfer. Opacity is 100%. Flow jitter is 100%. Good. Add this. Increase a little bit size. and paint. Now turn on the model layer. Right click on model layer and create clipping mask. Select the beauty brush layer, decrease some size and paint over the face to reveal the face like this. You can zoom the document and make sure your face should be clean. Decrease the brush size. Take your time on this. I'm just doing fast. Hope you guys get it. Okay. Now we have to create gradient map. Select gradient map. Select your gradient. I choose 4 color gradient. Hit OK. And just reduce the opacity. And I think 50 to 52% is enough. Here is our text portrait. You can design by your own ideas. Hope you guys like this tutorial. Don't forget to don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.